Hey there! Today I have a very quick unboxing of a little item from Louis Vuitton that, I'm going to be honest, I never thought I would spend this much money on this type of item. And I'm kind of questioning my sanity. But then when you see it, maybe you'll be like, no, Nancy, it makes sense. But, well, you'll be the judge. Stick around. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My channel is about treating yourself to a little bit of luxury, whether that be your favorite fragrance, skincare, makeup, designer handbags, small leather goods. Did I say fragrances? Because I have a lot of fragrances. So I was just staring up at my big perfume counter over there. Expensive cup of coffee, which I seem to have forgotten today, so I need to get that ASAP. But I have today a designer accessory that, I said to myself when this trend started happening, I'm like, yeah, it's not my thing. But I found myself wanting more and more, seeing cute little things, and just, I'm trying to be strategic in some of my purchases. So these little things that this wasn't little, quite honestly, but these little items, I'm like, oh, that's okay. I can spend a little bit over here and save for the big things for later. But this one, I saw it and I couldn't resist it. So we're going to get into it in just a moment. So the inspiration kind of behind it, or why I finally felt it was worth it, was I follow, I'm going to call him a friend. It's a friend distance on Instagram. No, just online. Gentleman named Brian, who's got fabulous style, fabulous bags, just wonderful. We have similar tastes in fragrance. I mean, just a wonderful person. And he has this bag charm. It's a chocolate bar from Louis Vuitton. And I swear he puts it on like all these bags and it just looks so great. I'm like, dang, I want that charm. And I never thought I would see that ever. So I went to go to the boutique and check it out. Of course, as per usual, they never have anything in stock that I really want. So at least my boutique, it's always like I have to order it online, have it brought in, what have you. And I took just a day to go up there and check it out. But it was coming out in different colors. So he has, I think, the milk chocolate version, and they're coming out in white chocolate and I think dark chocolate. So 3 shades. But at the time, they only had the milk chocolate on the website. So anyhow, I'm digressing. So I'm there and I'm just looking at all sorts of bag charms and accessories and things. Just kind of like, wasting the day away, so to speak. Checking things out, seeing what, I might want to purchase. And my sales associate there, it's a new relationship. So I've just, met her back in like January. So she doesn't really know me that well. She's going through my purchase history and kind of seeing, and I'm like going, oh, well, I have a lot of things that I didn't buy directly from LV. So she was talking to me about like what I already have. And she's really making a point to try to get to know me, which is like so unusual because I've never had a sales associate do that, or client advisor at Louis Vuitton. So I'm really excited to have that. Hopefully she sticks around because that has not been the history with that boutique. So anyway, so she was asking me what I was interested in, and I told her about the chocolate bar, and she kind of like looks up and she's like, I know we had something that would interest you. And so she went on a mission and kind of disappeared, but she left me with like this giant rack of bag charms. And so I'm playing around with, the chains and the different keychains. And I was kind of like deciding on the facets. Is that what that one's called? It's like the big giant LV. And they had a silver version and they had a gold version. And I was sitting there mulling over, like, do I want the gold? Do I want silver? Which one makes the most sense? And here she comes and she's like, so I found something. And she's like, I'm surprised we still have it, but it was from a Christmas and I think it's what you're looking for, but I'm not sure. So she brings it over and I'm like, oh, I didn't even know that existed. I'm like, oh. And I literally took like 30 minutes. It was so pathetic. I'm like hemming and hawing and asking my husband stuff. And I'm like, what do you think? And he's, you know, a man or that kind of man that's not into handbags. And like, whatever you want, whatever makes you happy. And it just took me forever to decide. So anyway, long story short, yes, it's here. I purchased it. It's in the bag. And oh, card. Like, what is that? There's no tag or anything. It was wrapped up, but there, I mean, it's pretty unimpressive, I guess, how they just kind of threw it in there. But yeah, no samples or anything. Okay, it is what it is. But it's definitely unique in my opinion. Now, who knows? There are probably 400,000 of these on YouTube, and everybody's like shown it, done it, because again, it was from Christmas, but I hadn't seen it. So anyway, so here is the box. We'll undo the ribbon, and in its little dust bag. I've already given you a hint of what it's supposed to look like. There's Dolly walking by. So it is the Vivienne, Christmas Vivienne, and it's the chocolate on this side, and it's the little mini monogram on the back side. But I was just like, wow, that I had not seen it, and it was just so different. And I don't know, something about it just spoke to me. I just had to have it. So I think it was $430. So again, you know, a little bit more than the other bag charms I've been investing in lately, but you know, reasonable for an LV charm in my opinion. And I liked that it was leather on one side and the little mini monogram on the back side. And I don't know, just something about the makeup of it just seemed really cute. So I just kind of liked that it was different enough from the chocolate bar, but still similar in design. And I think online it said something like it's supposed to be reminiscent of like cookies, so Christmas cookies, and that's why they did it that way. So I just thought it was kind of fun. And I liked that, you know, if you kind of put it this way, it can go contrasting against, you know, the monogram bags. You could put it on a different style of bag and then wear it this way on other types of bags. So I just really liked it. The two LV logo and then the other iconic symbols. It just seemed like a really fun charm. So there I am adding more bag charms to my collection. And I literally had said, I'm just not going to really waste my time doing it, but I just thought it was really, really cute. So I can't wait to kind of add it to a few different bags and try it out and just kind of see how it fits into my collection. But it really is, yeah, just something I never thought I would do. But so are you a bag charm aficionado? Do you have hundreds of them? I know DD Bean. I know you got a ton of them. Was I crazy? Was it just like, did you need a Louis Vuitton bag charm? Or I don't know, I think it's pretty cute, but you know, we each have our own tastes. I think it's fun. Hopefully I'll get something else. I'm kind of considering one of those, the kind that kind of dangle between the two handles, because it can double as bracelets. So that's kind of intriguing. So I might get one more, but I'm trying to like save up for an Hermes bag, and I'm trying to be good. Yes, Mama, I know it's time for dinner. I gotta go feed the pugs. So let me know what you think. Are you a bag charm queen? What are you doing? Are we still on this trend? Are we going to be over it soon, or is it just going to keep living on and it's all its glory? So I will see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.